Morning, children, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Last class,
Good morning,
we
ma'am.
started with a new chapter, isn't it? Last class, we started with a new chapter. Yes? What is the second chapter's name? What is the second chapter's name? What is the second chapter's name? Our planet? Or our earth? Yes, our earth, isn't it? In the last class, we learned about the planets. Yes? How many planets are there? 8 planets. And which is the in which position does the earth from the sun? Children, in one of the houses I can hear the sound of the TV. Can you just switch it off or keep your sound muted? Okay, fine. Now, last class we learned about the planets and we learned about the shape of the earth. Have we learned about the shape of the earth? Yes. What is the shape of the earth? What is the shape of the earth? Oblate? Okay. On the top it is flat and both the sides it is bulged. Yes? And what is that shape called as? Oblate sphere. That shape is called as oblate sphere. Oblate sphere. Okay, what is that shape called as? It's called as oblate sphere. Isn't it? Yes? Yes. Now, children, that is called as oblate sphere. And you know, there are two movements for our planet. There are two. Is there any problem for your voice? Is there any disturbance? Yes?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, is it okay?
No.
Yes, there is now our system is okay. In one of the houses there is some TV or something is been working out. Keep it apart. Keep that system off or you keep your system muted. Okay. Now children, there are two ways of movements for our planet. Which is our planet? Earth. Isn't it? What are the two movements? One is rotation and the other one is revolution. What are the two movements? First one is rotation. What is it? Rotation. Repeat. Rotation. Okay. Second one is revolution. What is it? Second one is revolution. What is it? Say it again. First one is rotation and the second one is revolution. Okay. Can somebody stand up? Okay. You all stand up in your place. Stand up. Stand up. And you turn around. Binu. Slowly, Binu. Okay. Turn around. One round. Just one round I wanted. Okay, enough. Sit down. So, I can see few of them have not stood up and moved. You can see others rotating, others moving around, isn't it? Yes? They made a circle. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. And that is how our earth also moves slowly. You people moved very fast. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. But the earth moves very slowly. It will turn and it will make one round. Okay? Yes, understood. Then did you understand? Yes. Now, that is what is called as rotation of Earth. That is called as rotation of Earth. Noel and Nia, did you understand? Yes. The Earth is moving in a slow motion for one circle it makes. Okay. It takes 24 hours. How much time it takes? It takes 24 hours. That means 1 day and 1 night to complete its one rotation. That much slow it is going. Understood? It will take 1 day and 1 night to complete its one rotation. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. 24 hours. What is the time taken?
24 hours.
24
24
hours. What is the time taken by the Earth to rotate? It is 24 hours. And what it is, 24 hours is 1 day and 1 night completed within 24 hours. Isn't it? Yes? You just imagine if the Earth is rotating very fast, what will happen to us? We will spin or we will throw away. We will be thrown away from Earth, isn't it? If the Earth is spinning so fast, we will be thrown away. Yes? Yes. If you keep something on the ball and if you turn it like this, what will happen? It will fly away. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So, we are not understanding that the Earth is rotating because it is moving very slow. Okay. Now, the next movement, the first movement was rotation. And now the second movement is revolution. What is revolution? You have seen in the last class, the planets are moving around the sun like this. This is the sun. The planets are moving like this. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. And there are all the planets are moving around the sun. Yes, yes, I know there is a disturbance. Children, you mute everyone. Mute. Mute. Otherwise, I'll mute everyone. You will not be able to unmute yourself. You will have to mute by yourself. Otherwise, I'll unmute. Otherwise, I'll mute yours. And you will not be able to unmute. Okay. Now the disturbance is okay, right? It's okay now? Thumbs up.
Yes.
It's okay, thumbs up. Okay, fine. Now, the second movement is revolution. The sun is here and the planets are moving. Even our Earth is also moving like this. Isn't it? Yes? Yes or no? So this movement is called as revolution. What is it?
Revolution.
Yes, revolution. This movement around the sun of the planets or the satellites or any other external. Why Niranjan and all is playing? Huh? And this movement is called revolution. Now Niranjan, unmute. Unmute. Now tell me what are the two movements of Earth? Sitting and smiling.
Revolution.
And?
Rotating.
Rotation. It is not rotating. It is rotation and revolution. What is rotation? How is rotation? Show me how is rotation. You stand up and show how is rotation. That is revolution. This is what? You people are sitting there and having fun. I'll give nicely later, okay? Now, can we watch a video about rotation and revolution? Yes? Okay. I am going to mute everyone. Otherwise, your video sound also will be having disturbance, okay?
The Earth and its
If you
movements.
can hear the sound, thumbs up.
The Earth is the third planet
And
from
hear
the
the
Sun,
sound, thumbs up. Okay.
and it has a unique characteristic that no other planet we know has. It's the only one that has life on it. Life of all types, plants, animals. Its average temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, and because our planet also has water and an atmosphere, it is the perfect place for life. Like other planets of the solar system, the Earth moves in two different ways. One is called rotation, and the other is called revolution. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its own axis. Rotate means to turn, so the Earth turns around a slightly inclined imaginary line that joins the two poles called the axis. Do you know how long it takes to make a complete turn? It takes 24 hours to make one rotation. Think about it for a second. One day and night together, lasts 24 hours too. So the movement of rotation causes day and night. Interesting, right? Now let's see the movement of revolution. As you can see in the pictures, the Earth goes around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. That might sound a little strange, but if you look, you'll see it's simply the journey that the Earth makes around the Sun. Do you know how long it takes the Earth to make a complete revolution around the Sun? Well, it takes 365 days. Exactly 1 year. This revolution movement is what makes the spring with its colourful flowers. The hot summer full of fun. The autumn when leaves fall from the trees to the ground. And the cold and frosty winter. So let's remember the two kinds of movement that the Earth day. And there is revolution, which is the Earth travelling around the Sun, which takes 365 days and causes the seasons. So now you know the movements of the Earth. Goodbye everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to Happy Learning.
Okay. Okay, now children, do you understand? Yes or no? You can unmute yourself. Now you saw how the Earth is moving. Yes?
Yes.
And you saw in rotation, Mivel, can you tell me while you are watching rotation, the movement rotation, in between you saw a red stick, the pole in between. What you will call that?
24 hours.
It is called as axis. What is it?
Axis.
Yes, that is, in the last class we learned about the sea or the earth and the sky joining together at the end of the sea. Yes? Yes? Yes. That is an imaginary line, isn't it? We told it as an imaginary line that we are just imagining. There is no line like that. Likewise, this Earth's axis is also an imaginary line. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
If you understand, say yes. Guys, I will not understand because this is not our class.
Yes.
That is why I am not muting everyone. Okay, children. So in between the earth, through the earth, one pole is going on and we will call it as axis. And the spelling of axis is A-X-I-S. What is the spelling? A-X-I-S. Axis. Okay. Axis. And that is also an imaginary line. What is that? That is also an imaginary line. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
There is no yes second. From few members only I can hear the sounds. Okay. So that is an imaginary line.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
1 second. Okay, that is an imaginary line and that is called as axis. Okay, on the axis the earth is rotating. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And Binu, tell me how many hours does the earth take to rotate?
24.
24 hours. That means a day and also a night together. Yes?
Yes.
Now, Tonio, tell me, how many days does the earth take to revolve around the sun? Tonio, answer me. Unmute and speak. Unmute. Unmute.
365.
Yes. Now, Tonio, tell me. How many days to revolve? Not to rotate, I'm telling, to revolve.
365 days.
Say the answer. Okay. Leonardo, can you tell me the answer? Okay, come on. How many days does it take to revolve around the sun?
365.
Yes, children, 365 days. That's what they said you, that 365 days are being taken for our planet, our earth to rotate around the sun. But can I ask you something? There is a leap year. Do you know about leap year?
Yeah.
What is a leap year?
February.
Yes, in February, an extra day will be added. That is 29th. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. And when are these 29th of February coming up?
4 years.
In 4 years. So that means the earth is taking 365 and 1/4 of a day. Okay. 1/4 of a day also is being taken for one revolution. Okay. So you have to write 365 and 1/4. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, 365 and 1/4 of the day is being taken by the earth to revolve around the revolve around the revolve around the sun. Yes, and the movement, the shape which they revolve is called, what is the shape of the ecliptical? Isn't it? Ecliptical shape. Are they moving in correct round? No. They are moving in a oval shape and that is called as ecliptical shape. And what is that way called as? Where through the road which the path through. Yes. Orbit. What is it called as? Orbit. What is it called as? Orbit. What is the spelling of orbit? O-R-B-I-T. Yes? Yes. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, so today we learned 2 movements of earth. One is rotation and the other one is revolution. What is the spelling of rotation? R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N. Okay. And revolution is? Revolution. R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Isn't it? Revolution. We learned 2 movements today. Understood?
Yes.
Now, children, I'll show you something. I will show you something. Wait a minute. Okay. So Earth, isn't it? Yes. Can you see Earth?
No.
Yes.
Yes. No. Yes.
Yes. Now, this is the original picture of Earth. This is the original picture of Earth. Okay?
Mama, I can't see.
Cannot see. Dear
No,
Nadu, can you see?
I can't see clearly. Black color. Mama, I cannot see.
Leonardo, can you see?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Children. Okay. This is the original picture. Those who cannot see the picture, that is your network issue. Wait for 2 seconds. It will be coming up. Got it? Okay. Children, on the top, you saw that the earth is standing position. Yes? It is not standing straight. It is turning to one side. Yes? And on that, if you are drawing a line, you are 1 second, okay? 1 second. You are drawing a line over here, and this is called as what? What is this line called as? The pole. What is it called as? Axis. What is it?
Axis.
What is this line called as?
Axis.
Well, what is this line called as? Yes, axis. Very good. Children, this is a real picture taken from the space. Okay. Real picture taken from the space. You wanted to know from where the picture is being taken? I'll show the building over there. Okay. That is called as a space station. Okay. Picture will be called, that building will be called as space station. Okay. Look at the space station which has been situated in the space, which has been built in the space. This is like a satellite. Yes?
Yes.
It's like a satellite, and there are people inside where they will check out what is happening in the space. Muhammad Faris, you have to sit straight.
What is this one?
Do you saw the picture? This is called as space station. This is International Space Station. What is this? This is space station. This is a place where the astronauts and the other people or the scientists go there and they will study about space. Okay, I'll show the interiors of it. The inside part of space station. One room from where they are doing their work. Okay. Check out the interiors. See? Inside you can see, isn't it? So many machineries and machines are there, isn't it? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And this is a place where they will check out their things, what all are happening in the space. Okay, and that picture is being taken from that space station. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. So that picture of Earth which I showed you was a real picture of Earth taken from space station. This is an extra information, not for you to learn it. Okay?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
So today we learned mainly Earth. One is rotation and the other one is revolution. What is rotation? The movement of the Earth on its axis. The movement of Earth on the axis. And what is revolution? The movement of Earth or other planets around the sun. And what we will call that shape or in which they move? That way the path is called as orbit, correct? The shape, it is moving in an oval shape. That is called as? Yes, what is it? Ecliptical And what is the shape of the earth? The both sides bulge and the top part is a bit flat. What is that shape called as? Yes. What is it? Say it, pronounce it properly. What is it? Oblate. What is it? Oblate. Sphere. What is it? Oblate. Sphere. What are you telling, Aidan? What word are you speaking? Is it oblate? You told it as oblate. Aidan. Aidan. Okay. What is a sphere? I mean, what is the shape of earth? Aidan, what is it? Aidan, answer me. What is the shape of sphere, earth? Oblate. What is the word? Yes, oblate. Sphere. What is the spelling? O-B-L-A-T-E. Oblate. What is the spelling? O-B-L-A-T-E. Oblate. Oblate. Sphere. What is the shape of the earth?
Oblate sphere.
Say louder, everyone.
Oblate sphere.
Oblate sphere. What is the shape of the earth?
Oblate
Oblate sphere. Oblate
sphere.
sphere. Okay. What is the shape of the earth? If you next time don't say it as a ball. Okay. What is the shape?
Oblate sphere.
Oblate sphere. Now we will not say it as a ball. The earth is in the ball shape. No, that time is over. Okay, next is oblate sphere. Got it?
Oblate sphere.
Understood?
Oblate sphere.
Yes. Got it? So,
Yes.
we will just check out the questions in workbook today. If you don't have a workbook in front, it's okay. We are just discussing. Okay. I will ask few people the questions. Only they will answer me. Okay. Arav, answer me the first question. Answer me the first question. Arav. Okay. Arav, name the line where the earth and the sky appear to meet.
Axis.
What? The name the line where the earth and the sky meets. Is it boundary, axis, horizon, or diameter? Elna, answer me. Elna. Is it horizon or axis? What is that imaginary line where the earth and the sky meets? While you go to the beach, what will you see? Who can tell me?
Horizon.
Yeah. Binu answered perfectly. What is it? Horizon, isn't it? What is it? Arav, this is why I told you, stop writing. Listen here. You people are thinking somewhere else. You are sitting in other mind. Arav just wanted to copy the answers, only that. Now, Arav, tell me, what is the answer?
Horizon.
Where the earth and the sky meets. That line is called as?
Horizon.
Say louder, everyone.
Horizon.
Yes, horizon. Next. Evangeline.
Horizon.
Anthony.
Horizon.
Evangel Anthony. Tell me the next answer. Evangel, what are you playing with? Evangel. Unmute. Evangel, unmute. Unmute. Evangel, what are you doing there? Now, tell me the next answer. Name the fixed path along which a planet or a heavenly body
Orbit.
travel. Yes, what is it?
Orbit.
Yes, orbit. Others, don't answer me. I want the person whom I asked. Okay. Akshaj P. Prem. Akshaj. Akshaj, unmute. Now tell me the earth is in which position from the sun?
Third.
Third. Okay, very good. Now, Egaraj, tell me the next answer.
Which answer?
Yes, I will ask the question. The Earth takes about dash hours to complete one rotation. Rotation.
24. 24.
Egaraj will answer. Tell me the answer, Egaraj.
24.
24. Okay. Thank you, Egaraj. Now, Sahal. Sahal, answer me the next. Okay. What is the shape of the Earth?
Oval shape. Circle.
I told you. Just now I told that. What is the shape of the Earth?
Circle.
Circle. That's what. Circle. Angelo Biju, tell me the answer.
Oblate.
Angelo. Oblate? Correct.
Oblate.
Very good. Oblate. Sphere. Who said that circle? Sahal, you are still in LKG. Sahal. You muted. Very nice. Okay. Sarah, tell me what is the word again? What is the shape of the Earth? Sarah, unmute and say. Sarah Salim, unmute. What is the shape of the Earth? Oblate, sphere. Oblate, sphere. What is the word? Oblate, sphere. Isn't it? Yes? Okay. Now, you can see a diagram over here, a picture of the Earth, and you can see the arrows over there circling. Abhinav, do you have a book in front of you?
Yes.
You saw in the 6th question, there is a picture of Earth. Who was laughing there? Abhinav, you saw the picture?
Yes.
Yes. What is that movement of Earth?
Finished time up.
What this movement is called as? Rotation or revolution?
Rotation.
Yes, very good. And there is one more question about revolution. I'll send you the answers through WhatsApp. Copy that. Okay? Okay, our time is up. Can we wind up?
Yes.
Thank you, children. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.